Hi, amazing viewers. Let's talk about divisibility rule. A divisibility rule is a shorthand way to determine whether a given integer is divisible by a fixed divisor without performing the actual division. These rules help in checking whether one number divides another exactly without remainder. Now, we have the divisibility rules table. Now, for 1, every number is divisible by 1. For 2, a number is divisible by 2 if its last digit is even, maybe 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, and so on. Now we have 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Next, we have 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits form a number divisible by 4. Now we have 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its last digit is 0 or 5. Now we have 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. A number is divisible by 7 if it's doubling the last digit and subtracting it from the rest of the number gives a result divisible by 7, though it can be a bit complex, but then it's effective. Now we have 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the last three digits form a number divisible by 8. Next, we have 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Also, we have 10. A number is divisible by 10 if its last digit is 0. Now, this table provides the basic divisibility rules for numbers from 1 to 10. These rules make it easier to determine whether one number is divisible by another without actually dividing. That's it for this video. In my next video, we'll be looking at some examples. Bye!